I'm often asked whether Bowen Therapy is appropriate to use on somebody for anxiety. And the answer is an emphatic yes. We see fantastic results in our clinics every day. Although we're not exactly sure on the mechanism, there's certainly a physiological and also a psychological effect that occurs when someone receives appropriate Bowen Therapy treatment for their anxiety. And we know that someone with anxiety often has this racing mind that they almost can't relax, they can't let go, they can't slow down, and therefore they're in this almost like a what they call a sympathetic dominant loop that they're just going all the time, and the body wasn't really meant to be like that for a long period of time. That the sympathetic system is about fight or flight. It's about trying to survive, but really we should be existing primarily in a really balanced state of parasympathetic and sympathetic state, so the body can heal itself, it can manage, it can repair, it can digest its food, it can rest better. But someone who is in this heightened state a lot of the time, and what we call anxious or stressed, is certainly not a really healthy way to be. So Bowen seems to be able to take people and reduce that stress level down to, whether it be even at a subconscious level, into more of a parasympathetic state, so that the anxiety state can be lessened. And it's almost like it offers the body another possibility. Rather than being stuck in this loop, it offers the body another possibility and allows it then to perhaps, and the body will take that possibility when it's offered. It just seems to be able to sort of really slow people down a little bit internally, if you like, and reduce that. We see people come back for a repeat session after having their very first session of Bowen Therapy, and they've often been referred for anxiety or sought out Bowen Therapy because of anxiety. That they come back, and one lady come back just recently and said, I think it feels like I've been drinking a glass of wine every day. Like I've just felt a lot freer and a lot easier. I've had people that have almost got to the point of having suicidal thoughts and really struggling with their anxiety, which can often then lead into depression. And they really feel fantastic benefit from having Bowen Therapy. It's not a panacea. It's not going to totally cure people. What we do see is that people do get some really great benefits from it, in conjunction with their other therapies and the other things they're doing to help manage their anxiety or their depression. So if someone asks you, is Bowen Therapy appropriate for someone who has anxiety, the answer is certainly yes. So have a read about it. Give me a call if you'd like to. Happy to have a chat. But around anxiety, Bowen Therapy can really be often very, very helpful.